Half the country's cotton t-shirts come from one city, and it shouldn't. A garment worker in Bihar earns 20 to 30% less than one in Tamil Nadu. Same in Odisha, same in Jharkhand. Millions of workers, lower wages, same machines. By every economic rule, this industry should be there, not here. So you try to explain it. Maybe the government pushed it here. But the same incentives existed across cities like Erode, Salem, Karur. Same policy, same support. They didn't become this. So maybe it's infrastructure. But Chennai has a better port. Coimbatore is better connected. Still not this. So maybe it's skill. But textile towns exist in every direction within 50 kilometers. Older, more experienced, better resourced. And still, none of them dominated like this. At some point, you run out of explanations. Which means whatever built this was already here before the industry arrived. This city didn't rely on banks. It didn't need to. It used something called the kuri. Every month, the community pooled money. One person took the entire amount. No collateral, no paperwork, just trust. Now, when power looms opened up in the 1980s, every city needed capital. Everywhere else, manufacturers went to banks. Banks asked for collateral. Approvals took months. Most got rejected. Here, they didn't wait. They went to the kuri, money in 2 weeks, from people who already knew them. And that changed everything. Because while other cities were still standing in bank queues, this city had already installed 10,000 power looms. Buyers came, supply chains formed, the ecosystem locked in. By the time anyone else was ready, this city had already won. That city is Tirupur. It now supplies H&M, Zara, Gap and Marks & Spencer. Exports over 40,000 crore rupees worth of garments every year. And there's a real chance the t-shirt you're wearing right now came from here. But the same system that made this city move faster than everyone else also meant it moved without limits. For years, dyeing chemicals flowed straight into the Noyal River. The water turned black. The Madras High Court stepped in. 700 factories shut overnight. 50,000 workers lost their jobs in a single court order. The industry survived. It built one of the most advanced water recycling systems in Asia. 130 million liters reused every single day. It solved capital. It solved water. And just when it looked stable, something new hit. Global trade, tariffs, demand shocks. Factories don't fail slowly here. They fail together. And if this city stops, it doesn't slow down, it stops. And that t-shirt you're wearing, the next one might cost more, or take longer, or come from a place that doesn't exist yet. Because there is no backup. There never was. While the economy grows around you.